Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, I will introduce the pork belly roll with green beans and carrots. Let's get started. Step 1. Boil green beans and carrots with salt. We're starting by blanching the green beans and carrots in salted water. This will help to preserve their beautiful colors and bring out their natural sweetness. Step 2. Roll the boiled vegetables with pork belly. Once the vegetables are tender, we're going to wrap them in thin slices of pork belly. This will add a rich and savory flavor to the dish, while also giving it a nice crispy texture. Step 3. Make a Japanese-style sauce. The sauce, the secret to any great dish. The combination of sugar, mirin, sake, soy sauce, and ginger is a classic flavor profile in Japanese cuisine, and it adds a delicious sweetness and depth to the dish. Step 4. Fry the rolled vegetables and pork belly in a pan. Now, it's time to sear the pork belly rolls in a hot frying pan. We want to get them nice and golden brown on the outside, while still keeping them tender and juicy on the inside. Wipe off excess oil. Step 5. Put the sauce on. Finally, we add some finishing touches to make the dish visually appealing and even more delicious. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top and garnish with parsley. It is a perfect addition to any bento lunchbox. Please give it a try and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, just hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.